So from here, this can also be y log 8 equals log 6 plus log 8. From high, let's solve for y. If 2 raised to power y minus 1 or raised to power 3 equals 6, y is dash. Solution. Okay. First, recall that a raised to power m or raised to power n is same as a raised to power m multiplied by n. Okay, which is same as a raised to power nm or a raised to power mn. So we are going to use this power now and multiply this power. That is power rule. Okay, so we are going to have 2 raised to power 3 bracket y minus 1 is equal to 6. So that we can open it to have 2 raised to power 3y minus 3 equals 6. Also, when you have a raised to power minus 1 is same as 1 over a. And when you have a raised to power m minus n is same as a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power minus n. So this expression now, let's express it in this form. So let's express this in this form. We are going to have 2 raised to power 3y multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 3. This is equals to 6. Okay, from here now, a raised to power minus 1 is equals to 1 over a. So we are going to have 2 raised to power minus 3 as 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So over here we have 2 raised to power 3y multiplied by 1 over 2 raised to power 3 equals 6. Now, 2 raised to power 3 is same as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Okay, so over here, we are going to have 1 over 8, and the 2 raised to power 3y should be 8 raised to power y. Okay, so we have 8 raised to power y multiplied by 1 over 8 equals 6. Alright, so we can now have here 8 raised to power y divided by 8 is equals to 6. Okay, when we express further, we now have 8 raised to power y is equals to 6 multiplied by 8. Okay, which is same as 48. Good. So can now have 8 raised to power y is equals to 48. From here, we can take the log of both sides. Okay. Okay, take the log of both sides. Remember, we have 8 raised to power y equals 48. So log 8 raised to power y equals log 48. Okay, so this is from log m raised to power n equals n log m. Here now will be y log 8. So I can have y log 8 is equal to log 48. Good. Is equals to log 48. Now divide through, but here we can still express it as y log 8 equals log bracket 6 multiplied by 8. Remember, this 48, we derived it from 6 multiplied by 8. Okay, so from here, this can also be y log 8 equals log 6 plus log 8 from log m multiplied by n equals log m plus log n. Okay, so I applied this rule here to this place. I applied this rule here to this part. Okay, so 6 multiplied by 8 will now be log 6 plus log 8. Now divide through by log 8. Log 8. Okay, so I'll have y log 8 divided by log 8 equals log 6 divided by log 8 plus, here we have log 8 again, log 8 divided by log 8. Alright. Okay, from here now, log 8 will cancel log 8, we have 1. So this log 8 will cancel log 8, we have y. Y will be log 6 divided by log 8 plus 1. Now from change of base, from log p divided by log q, which is same as log p base q, we are going to use it to change the base of this, okay, to be log 6 base 8. So we can have, therefore y is equals to, we can write 1 first, 1 plus log 6 base 8. So this is the value of y. So this is the value of y in that equation. Okay, so the value of y here is 1 plus log 6 base 8. Now let's try and check. Okay, checking. We are given 2 raised to power y minus 1 or raised to power 3 as 6. Okay, which we expressed to get 8 raised to power y, okay, equals 8. Alright. From here, we expressed it to have 8 raised to power y as 48. But we now have that y is equals to 1 plus log 6 base 8. Substituting, I will now have 8 raised to power bracket 1 plus log 6 base 8. Will it give us 48? So I will now have 8 raised to power 1 multiplied by 8 raised to power log 6 base 8. Will it give us this 48? Remember what I have done here, from a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n as a raised to power m plus n. This a raised to power m plus n is in this form. So we now express it this way to be this form. Okay, good. So 8 raised to power 1 is 8 multiplied by, here, since this base and this base are the same, we are going to have 6. So we are going to multiply here by 6. Will it give us 48? Yes. Okay, so this is correct. So left hand side here, right hand side. Now remember what I have done here. When you have this rule from a log b base a. So since they have a as base and this a here as base, it will give you b. Okay, inverse or cancellation law and logarithm. And solve this problem. Okay. Thank you for watching. For more on Math Olympiad and other general mathematics like calculus, differentiation, please check my previous lessons. Bye.